Okay, everybody, welcome back to Clark Crew Reviews. I got one of my partners in crime with me. We're going to change it up a little bit for this video, okay? So, YouTube videos was kind of my hobby. I think your hobby is making slime, right?
Yep.
So, Novi is going to take y'all step by step how to make your own slime, right? I'm just a participant. So, I will get out the way and hand it over to you. All right. So how we do this, Novi?
First, you need a bowl or something to stir in.
I made her use a plastic cup because she was trying to use some of my good bowls and I wasn't having it. So we had to use a plastic cup. All right.
And something to stir with.
All right. Plastic fork because I don't want to wash no dishes. So we use a plastic fork.
But this is how to make fluffy slime.
Fluffy slime.
First, we'll need liquid starch.
Liquid starch. Okay.
Baby oil.
Baby oil.
Shaving cream.
Is that my shaving cream?
Yeah. You haven't been using it. Baby lotion. And glue.
Glue. You just got that glue. It's almost gone already. So you got some now? Did you make some already?
Yeah.
Where's it at?
It's in my room.
Go grab it real fast. So this is what the end product is supposed to look like. Slime, right?
You know how to do it?
Slime. Slime. That's what the end product's supposed to look like, right?
It's very good for poking too.
This we're gonna make right here. Alright? Well, she's gonna make it. Go ahead. What we do, Novi? I'm interested. I haven't actually seen you make it.
First, you'll add some glue, how much you want.
Let's since you got a big one, let's make a little one. So we don't use all your ingredients up.
If you add like a lot, like a whole glue container, it might just be like half of a glue container because it takes up some of it.
Okay.
I don't really know how to explain it. Other than some starch, liquid starch.
Where did you get starch from? Who bought starch?
When Praylin was spending the night, Mommy bought this so we can make slime.
I'm blissfully unaware of when this starch was purchased.
And then stir it. Stir this.
Ooh.
And it's only making a little slimy bit right now.
Ooh.
And then next, I put in a little bit of baby lotion.
And why do you need baby lotion?
To make it fluffy.
Okay. Wasting all that good baby lotion.
I remember that one pink fluffy slime I made. I left it in the car. It got frozen. And it's kind of terrible.
What does the baby oil do?
Make it not sticky.
Make it not sticky. Okay. All right.
And then stir this.
This looks disgusting.
Why?
Looks like a mess.
Let
Let me stir a little bit. I want to participate. All right, shaving cream.
Yep.
This looks like snot. No, what does the shaving cream do?
It also makes it fluffy.
I mean, are you just freelancing these ingredients, or there's like certain measurements these people should know?
No, you put it in. If you don't want it fluffy, you just want regular slime. All you need is glue and liquid starch, and that's it. If you want fluffy, you can put baby oil. Baby oil makes it like not stick to your hands. The other ingredients you need is just baby lotion and shaving cream.
And then this is it?
And then slam.
Oh, she got serious. She rolled her sleeves up.
And then you just mix it a little bit with your hands. And when it doesn't like feel weird and stuff, like
When it doesn't feel weird, does that mean it's ready?
yeah, like it's not slimy and stuff. Well, it'll be slimy, but like you can't feel the shaving cream and stuff, then it's probably ready.
So did you discover this on your own, or did somebody show you how to do this?
I watched a couple videos, and I just added like 2 more ingredients to it to make it fluffy.
Why did you add 2 more ingredients? What gave you the insight to add those 2 ingredients?
Because it's just the person that made the slime made it with baby oil, liquid starch, and glue, and I just add shaving cream because I knew that would make it fluffy, and baby lotion.
Out of curiosity, how did you know the shaving cream would make it fluffy?
Because I know I'm a slime expert.
You're a slime expert. Ridiculous. So how did you know to add the baby lotion?
Because I knew.
How did you know?
Because other videos I watched.
Okay. So, if you want to use Novi's slime concoction, do they have your permission?
Yes.
See?
If you try it and it works, leave a comment down below.
Alright. So, you can add colors to it too, right?
Yeah.
So what do they got to do to add colors?
Just get food coloring and add a couple drops in.
Couple drops of food coloring, you can make whatever color slime you want, alright? Did you learn that, or did you figure that out on your own?
Figure it out on my own.
So, she stole some of the recipe, but she added her own touch to it. I can live with that, right? Now we trademark it. Novi's slime.
And you can also put like beads and stuff in to make it like crunchy.
That's just weird. It's just weird.
But like, when you like...
Well, hey, you got anything else you want to tell the people? You said if it works for them to leave a comment down below, right?
Yep.
Anything else?
If it works, okay, if you try it and it works, say that it worked in the comment and put a thumbs up emoji.
Hey, thumbs up emoji. Or they can just like the video if it worked, right?
Yeah.
So if it worked for you and you enjoyed it, it's a good project to do as a family. I recommend not letting your 3-year-old use the slime unsupervised, because they'll leave it on the carpet and you won't be able to get it out like my 3-year-old did, alright? Don't give it to your 3-year-old, alright? Or if your 3-year-old's more responsible than mine, then maybe I would consider it, alright? Well, if it works, like the video. If it works, share the video. And while you're here, subscribe to our channel, right?
Yep.
Will it hurt them to subscribe to us?
Nope.
Alright, if we get a notification that you subscribe to us, we will subscribe back to you, alright? Until next time, y'all be good, alright? Peace.